Today is another gym. I've gone to Fit Lab, I've gone to Hive, and now I'm going to the Muscle Factory. We're gonna go inside, hit a pole day, and see how it is. I love the vibe. It's like almost old-fashioned type of feel. This orange kind of color. When you think of this gym, you think about some sick edit with old-fashioned bodybuilders just pushing heavy weight. Hey, Nugget. Hey, buddy. Nugget. That's awesome. Gym dog. What? I'm actually on a push day. We're just gonna start with bench press and then go from there. I was just thinking about this the other day and I was like, what did I do to increase my bench? And how did I go from not even being able to do a plate my freshman year of high school to repping 3 plates? I was like, if someone were to ask me, what do I do? I just benched, for a long period of time, did it consistently, and I just progressively put more weight on and just kept doing it. Yeah, like other exercises, are also gonna help, build your chest and improve your bench. A lot of it has to do with triceps too, so, it all plays a factor, but I found just benching is my #1 tip. It's really not that complicated. You just hop on the bench and start doing it. Some guy that I just met, his name's Raul, he gave me some of these gummies that he makes, and they're not gummies, they're gum, and it has caffeine in it. Similar to Neuro gum, but for the gym. And I thought it was really nice of him to give me some of his product to try myself. I wonder why he gave it to me. Maybe he just saw the P.A.M. and was like, maybe he could promote my product. Smart guy. Raul was pretty smart. Pump is looking mean right now. It's probably the best pump I've had in a long time. Whew. Oh my gosh. So far, the equipment, love it. I really like the dumbbells too. Hampton, never seen these before, but the grip on these things is awesome. I've never felt something like this. Also, all their equipment is like Prime. They're Prime equipment. Legend. There's another good one too. Rogue maybe? I think it's Rogue. But anyways, already some great pluses. I was just talking to one of the employees, and he's actually the owner's brother, and I was telling him to tell his brother that actually owns the gym that I love it so far, and he said it would make his day. So just little comments like that, can really change someone's day. I've been trying to be on my compliment grind recently. Most people, when they think about complimenting someone, they actually never go through with complimenting them because they're too scared about doing it, but I'm not shy, so I'm a little too outgoing sometimes. Dips are so good. Nothing like a good dip session. Body weight is perfect, bust out. It's more volume. If I don't have my weight belt with me. Normally I would do weighted dips, but what I like to focus on is lean a little forward while doing my reps, and I tend to feel it more in my chest, and it doesn't put so much stress on my shoulders. I feel it more, I feel like dips can sometimes be painful, but it really depends on how you're, actually doing your form and performing the rep. This gym is so much more my speed. I actually had a way better workout than both of the times that I worked at Hive, and it's like almost $275 cheaper. That was probably the best decision I ever made, is to come here. I also found out that it's 24 hours. Overall, I would rate my experience a 9.3 out of 10. It's just, it feels like a bodybuilder gym. And I feel like I needed that vibe when Hive kind of gave me this modern type of, you have to be super rich to go there type of vibe. I just love that the machines are better here. I like the orange color in here. I got a month pass, so I'll be coming here for the next 30 days, and I approve. Thank you to the Muscle Factory. What a great push day. WW day, and more to come. Let's do it.